Hi, Brendan here from Bunting Labs. If you just installed the AI Vectorizer plugin but can't seem to find the icon, it's likely that your plugin toolbar is not visible. We can enable it by going to Views, Toolbars, and clicking on this Plugins Toolbar item. You can also get to that by searching in the Help window, Plugin Toolbar, and that'll highlight where to go. So once I click that, I'll get these additional icons, and I notice that it's grayed out. First, I need to get my vector layer, then I need to hit Edit, and only then can I use the AI Vectorizer. Now I'm going to click once and click twice to vectorize this pathway in this drone imagery. And I can click to add these vertices. Happy digitizing.